Presenting this summer, in outdoor spaces near you, a hyper-realistic racing simulation. BuWizz, the one brick to steer them all.
BuWizz is a high-performance remote control system for LEGO models. It enables you to take control of your LEGO creations and empowers them to navigate through rough terrains. Using a smartphone or tablet, your models will work outdoors within a large range with precise control. Equipped with a high-performance battery, BuWizz is simple, compact, and powerful. The app will alert you when the power is running low. Charge BuWizz with any micro USB charger. BuWizz is ready to play out of the box. Insert it into your model, connect the motors, run the app on your smartphone or tablet, and drive away. Several speed modes are at your fingertips. Set it in high speed mode, and your model will be the fastest on the playground. A guarantee for hours of fun, challenging obstacles, and pushing your LEGO models to their limits and beyond. Control your machines, trains, or add light effects to your models. Just use your imagination. It's on you now. Please support us by backing our project on Kickstarter. Build something awesome with BuWizz.